So, good morning, students. Let us start, okay? Today we will be solving one numerical, okay, based on your previous lecture, which was your PERT analysis, right? PERT, program evaluation and review technique. So there in the last class we have described what are the differences between PERT as well as CPM and how we can solve this PERT network diagram. It is same like the CPM only, but there are few more extra steps. Okay, those extra steps is what? See, in case of PERT, we will be provided with 3 time estimates data. What we need to do, we need to convert this data into one value, into this 3 time estimate. This is your optimistic, this is your most likely, and this is your pessimistic. Okay, and the relation is what? T O is lesser, then comes the TM, then comes TP. Okay, so this is the relationship. See, this 3 time estimate need to be converted into one time estimate, okay, which is your expected or mean. We can say that is your expected or mean duration, which is denoted by TIJ, capital TIJ. Okay, so then after that all the process will be same. Okay, whatever the float method, whatever the calculation of es, early start time or late completion time, all this will be same. Okay, and which activities are considered to be critical activities, or which path is considered to be critical path. Okay, the longest path is the critical path. So everything is same as that of the CPM. The only difference is what? We need to convert this 3 time estimate into single, then we will solve in like a CPM method only. Okay, so today we will be solving one network diagram which is based on the PERT network diagram. See, type of the question which you may face in exam are like this. See, they will give you, consider the following PERT network. Okay, if they won't say whether it is CPM or PERT, we can simply see this table and we can identify whether it comes under PERT network analysis or your CPM. Since there are 3 values of durations, that means there is this is not the fixed time duration. Okay, there is no fixed time duration. There are 3 variables for the time. That means there is uncertainty in the time. Okay, so from here we can say that this is your PERT network diagram. Okay, so with the help of this data, we need to do what? We need to, they will ask you to draw the network diagram first. Okay, then comes find the expected duration. Expected means capital TIJ. See, this, there are 3 values of time. We will convert this into single value, which is expected duration. Okay, see, find the expected duration of each activities and variance of each activities. Okay, since these are uncertain, since there is probability term coming here, so there will be 2 terms, which is standard deviation and variance. Okay, so they have asked you to calculate the variance of each activity. Okay, so before calculating variance, we must know what is the standard deviation of each activities. Okay, so that formula we have already seen. What will be the formula that I will discuss? Okay, next comes the calculate the earliest start time and latest completion time for each event. Okay, that is E1, E2 and L1, L2, like that we need to calculate. Then comes determine the expected duration of the project. That means your project duration we need to calculate. Okay, and finally calculate all the floats. That means your free float, independent float, from your total float, everything. Okay, so calculate all the floats for each activity and identify the critical path. Okay, with the help of float we can easily identify if all these 3 for a particular activity, if all the 3 float values are 0, then we can say that that particular activity is your critical activity. And lastly, find the variance and the standard deviations of the entire project. Rather, we can say what is the standard deviation and variance of their um, critical path. Okay, so longest duration path, if we calculate standard duration, that will be your for the whole project itself. So question, is it clear to everyone what they have asked? See, they will give you these 3 things only, sorry, these 4 things only, then they will ask you so many questions. Okay, so this comes under your broad questions. Now how to solve? So what should be our first step? What we should calculate first?
Earliest start time.
For that we need what values? We need
The,
duration, dij, right? That is only one duration value, but here we have three durations. In case of PERT, we will not get single duration. We are getting three durations. So our first step is what? To convert or to
TIG,
get
ma'am.
to calculate TIJ, right? That is average or expected time of this each all activities. Okay. So from 1 to 2, this is also an activity. Instead of ABCD, they have given event to event. Okay, node to node. That is 1 to 2, 1 to 3, like that. So first we will calculate Tij. Now what was the formula of Tij? Anyone? What was the formula of Tij?
TO plus 4 TM plus TP by 6.
Yes, very good. So TO, okay, sorry, TO plus TM, oh sorry, 4 into TM, right? 4 into TM plus TP plus TP, okay, divided by 6. So this was the formula. Okay, so what will be for the first activity? What is the Tij value? Please keep calculator with you, everyone. Please tell me what will be the value of Tij for this first activity.
मैम 6 होगा.
6 कैसे? Simply ओके जगह पर 2 plus 4 into 5, okay, plus TP is how much? 14, okay, divided by 6. So this is coming 36. So 36 by 6 is 6. Very good. Similarly, can you calculate for 1 2 3? बोलो तुम लोग की कैलकुलेट करते करते बोलो. आज सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन. वी विल डू ओनली कैलकुलेशंस, नो मोर थ्योरी. ओके, so tell
मैम
me what
नेक्स्ट
will
12 होगा.
12. Yes, okay, very good. See, 3 plus 4 into 12 plus 21 divided by 6. Just use calculator and tell me. Okay, 12.
ma'am, 13.
13.
13 होगा.
Okay, yes, very good. 13. 4 plus 4 into 14 plus 17 by 6. What for this
मैम
one?
5 होगा नेक्स्ट.
Yes, 5. Very good. 2 plus 4 into 5 plus 8 by 6.
Ma'am, 4.
4. And last में
16.
yes, 16.
16.
Okay, so like this you need to calculate this next column. This in case of CPM, they have provided you Dij directly. Okay, but here in PERT, this is extra step we need to do. That is calculation of Tij. Now after this, everything is same. Okay, everything will be same. Now they have asked you to draw the table. Okay, sorry, to draw the network diagram. So how we will draw? See, first activity is 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. That means 1 is our event. Okay, first event is 1. Then from 1, 2 arrow will be coming out, which is your 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Okay, you can draw it. 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Now write down. So this was your first activity. This is your second activity. What is the duration of first activity? Tij is 6. So write
6.
here 6. For second activity, it is 12. Right. Now see, third activity is 2 to 4. So from here, we will draw 2 to 4. Okay. So 2 to 4. So, and the duration was your 13. Okay, write down 13. Now comes 3 to 4. That means it will be like that, 3 to 4. Okay. So 3 to 4 is how much? 5. Duration is 5. Now last is what? 4 to 5. Second last is 4 to 5. Okay. So 4 to 5. Okay. So 4 to 5. So 4 to 5, which is 4 duration. Write it like this. Now last is 3 to 5. That means this arrow. From here to here, 3 to 5. Okay, and the duration is 16. Simple. You can easily draw, right? So first question answer done. Draw the network diagram, but before drawing we must have these values. Okay, we cannot use all these three, then we will draw. Okay, for doing this one, first you need to calculate this single Tij values. Okay, now the second question was to calculate variance. Okay, see, to calculate variance formula was your sigma square. Okay, whereas sigma was formula was your TP minus TO by 6. Okay, so first calculate sigma value. Now tell me, for first activity, what is the sigma value?
मैम 2 होगा.
2. How? See, 14 minus 2. Okay, that is 12. 12 minus divided by 6, 2. Okay. See, 14 minus 2 by 6 for first activity. Now for second activity,
3.
3. Very good. 21 minus 3 is 18. 18 divided by 6, 3. For third,
2.
2. 17 minus 5, 5 is 12. 12 minus 12 divided by 6 is 2. For fourth,
1.
1. Okay, and for fifth will also be 1, na? 7 minus 1, 6. 6 divided by 6, 1. This will be 30 minus 6, 24.
4.
24 by 6 is 4. Okay, so like this you can calculate standard deviation, and variance will be simply sigma square. Okay, that is 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 2, 4, 1, 1, 16. Okay, this column I have not drawn. You can simply draw yourself. Okay, this one I have missed out. So they have asked you variance, where variance is equals to sigma square, where sigma is equals to, this is the formula. Okay, so first question complete. You have drawn the network diagram and you have calculated Tij, that is expected duration of every activity, and standard deviation or variance of every activity we have completed. Okay, so here we have drawn. Now our third question was calculate earliest start time and latest finish time. Okay, so what is for calculating earliest start time, from which event we will start?
1.
Yes, first we will start from E1. Okay, so what is the E1 value?
0.
0. Okay, then we will go to E2 or E3. See, there is only one arrow, so whatever. Okay, so E3 will be how much?
12.
12. This arrow is coming from 1, so E1 plus 12, that is 0 plus 12, 12. Now for E2,
6.
6. This arrow is coming from 1, so E1 is 0, 0 plus 6, 6. Okay, now E4, how many arrows? See, how many arrowhead? 2 arrowhead.
2.
Yes, one is coming from 2, one is coming from 3. So there will be 2 values.
17 and
E4.
19.
Yes, when it is coming from 6, it will be 2, it will be E2 plus 13, that is 19. Okay, and when it is coming from 3, it is E3 plus 5, which is 17. So we have to take the maximum value, right? For E4, for E values, we have to take maximum, which is 19. Now the last E value is what? E5. Okay, so what is E5? See, 2 arrowheads.
28.
Yes, 2 arrowheads coming from 3 and 4. When it is coming from 3, it is 12 plus 16, E3 plus 16, 28. And when it is coming from 4, it is E4 is 19, 19 plus 4, 23. Right? So take the maximum value. Okay. So this is also your project duration. Okay. This will be your project duration also. Right, we know the last E value will be the project duration, which is 28 days. So your fourth question is also complete along with it. Okay, now we will calculate L. This is the project duration. Now we will calculate L. So for calculating L, which one we will calculate first? For which event?
5.
Yes, L5. What will be the L5 value?
28.
Yes, last E value, that is E5 value will be your L5 value. Okay, so 28. Now we will go backward. So tell me which event first, 4 or 3?
4.
Yes, 4, because here it is only single arrow tail. Okay, and it is coming from 5. So L5 minus Dij now. L5 is 28. 28 minus 4 is
24.
24. Okay, now we will go to 3. Why we didn't calculate 3? Because for 3, see, 2 arrows coming from 5 and 4. So L4 must be known to us. So before calculating 3, we have to calculate 4. Okay, so now tell me what will be the L3 values. There will be 2 values. When it is coming from 5, what is the value? 28 minus 16, 12. Okay, that is L5 minus 16. And when it is coming from L4,
19.
yes, 24 minus 9, 19. So minimum is how much? 12. Okay, so we'll take here minimum. In case of E, maximum. In case of L, minimum. Now we'll go to 2 or 1. Which one we will calculate first, 2 or 1?
2.
2, obviously, because for 1 we need L2 value. Okay, so L2 must be calculated first. See, for L2 only one head, which is coming from 4. So L4 minus 13. 24 minus 13, how much?
11.
11. Yes. Now your last is L1. So for L1, 2 tail, 2 and 3. So L2 minus 6 is your 5, and L3 minus 12 is your, that is L3 is 12. So 12 minus 12, 0. So we will take minimum, which is 0. Okay, so
मैम
like
ये
this.
साइड तो देखो मैम,
हाँ.
ये साइड पे तो देखो, ये साइड पे
अच्छा, प्लीज रिपीट. बोलो, क्या बोल रहे हो?
ये 5 का 30 अभी 23 और 28 सब है। ये 5।
हाँ,
तो मैम 23 होगा तो
ES5 23 कैसे हो रहा है? हाउ?
ये 4 तो 19 प्लस 4।
19 plus 4. Okay, this will be 23. Okay.
यस
Okay.
यस मैम,
This will be 23. But still your correct answer will be 28 only. Okay.
यस मैम, यस
Why?
यस
This is maximum. Thank you. ठीक है.
ओके मैम।
So like this we will calculate. Our fourth question is also complete. Okay, that is what is early start time, what is latest completion time for every event. Okay, now from here they may ask you to find the critical path also. Okay, since this diagram is very easy or not critical there, and there are not many paths. Okay, there you can identify that there are only 3 paths. See, if we will draw, we will see that there are only 3 paths. That is from first event to last event. This is the first path. Okay, this is the second path. Okay, and this is your third, last path. Okay, third path. So among these 3, you can easily identify which is the longest path, and that will be your critical path. Okay, so like that also you can do. See, our first path is what? 1 2 3 3 2 5. Okay, so duration will be how much? For this red color path, what is the duration?
28.
Yes, see, 12 red arrow. Add the durations of these arrows. Okay, so 12 plus 16, 28. Okay, now for the second path, what will be the duration? Second path is 1 2 3 3 2 4 4 to 5.
21.
21. See, 12 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, so 21 days. Now for the third part, which is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5. What is the duration? 23. Okay, so among these 3 paths, which is the longest? This one. So this is your critical path. Okay, if they ask you calculate critical path, then this way also you can calculate. Okay, if it is very easy diagram, that means if there is the number of path will be less, in that case we can use like this, find out the maximum or the longest duration path, that will be considered as the critical path. Okay, now see, among this path, within this path, there are two activities, that is 1 to 3 and 3 to 5. See, 1 to 3 and 3 to 5. Okay. Now we will, if they will ask you what is the standard deviation. Okay, this was your standard deviation of all activities in the network. Now they will ask you what is the standard deviation of the critical path. For that, find out what is the standard deviation of the critical activities in that path. So since this is our critical path, so 1 to 3 and 3 to 5 are our critical activities, and the standard deviations of critical activities 1 to 3 is how much? 3, and 3 to 5 it is 4. अच्छा, recording चल रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, so now they will, if they will ask you find out the standard deviation of the critical path, मतलब ये जो path है इसका critical path का, ये critical path का what is the standard deviation. So in that case we will consider only the standard deviation of critical activities in the formula, which is this one. Okay, so standard deviations of critical path is actually what? Under root of summation of standard deviation of critical activities in that path. Okay, so ये path अगर critical है तो these activities are obviously critical, तो सिर्फ we will consider only these values. Okay, so now calculate and tell me what is sigma CP. बोलो, calculate करके हमको बोलो. So under root यहाँ पे क्या रखेगा? Summation of sigma, this is the critical path, first critical activity, okay, square plus sigma 3 to 5, okay, square. So what are the values? Sigma 1 3 is 3, okay, so 3 square plus sigma 3 5 is 4, so 4 का square. So what is the value?
मैम आंसर 5 होगा.
Yes,
रूट
5. ठीक है. So sigma CP is 5. Okay. And if they will ask you what is the variance, तो क्या होगा variance of the critical path? Variance of CP कितना होगा? What was the relationship between variance and sigma? We know variance equals to क्या था? Sigma square. Okay. So variance of CP is equals to क्या हो जाएगा? Sigma CP square. Okay. So our sigma is how much? Our sigma CP is 5. So 5 square. Okay. So your answer will be, variance will be of critical path will be 25. Okay. Clear? So if in MCQs they may ask you, they will give you like this network diagram. They will tell you calculate sigma CP and variance CP. Okay. And they will give you the option. So like this you can calculate. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See, so till now our, what was the question? See, these are the questions. So we have drawn checklist. Okay, we will do check. See, this is completed. We have find out expected duration, that is Tij, and standard deviation we have calculated. So simply square that standard deviation for every activity. We'll get the variance also done. Calculate the earliest start time, late start time, done. Determine the expected duration. The last E value, which was 28, is the duration of the project, done. Now see, this is also done. Okay, the variance and the standard deviation of entire project, that means critical path. Okay, for what is the value of critical sigma CP and variance CP. So this is done. Now remains only this portion. This I will explain in the next slide. Okay, so this we have already solved many times in CPM. Here also same, only difference is what? Instead of 3 we have to convert this into single value. Okay, that is Tij. Then the process is same as we did in our, in case of our float method, same process. Okay, so let us see. So you will do calculations. Okay, now you will do calculations. See, this was our network diagram which we solved in the previous slide, and these are the formulas of floats. See, total float, pre-float and independent float. Okay, for float calculations, this table we need to construct. Okay, I to j, then duration, then earliest start time, that is ei ej, I to j. Okay, then latest finish time, li lj. Then formulas for this tf, ff and if are like this. Okay, simply we will substitute the values. Now this thing was given. Okay, only this was not given. There three values were given. We have converted that into tij and we will put those values here. Okay, only the single value. See, now tell me, this is the diagram. From the diagram, tell me what is the ei for first activity. First activity is 1 to 2. So what is the value of ei? See, first activity is 1 to
0.
1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2. Now tell me from this arrow, what is the ei value? So 1 to
0.
2. Okay, so this is your I, this is your j. Very good, 0. This will be your I, this will be your j. Okay, so ei is 0. Very good. Similarly, what is li? Li is
0.
also 0. So simply write here 0. Now what is ej?
6.
ej is, see, ej is 2. Okay, that is e2 is 6. And what is lj? 11, na? Sorry, it is 11. Right? ej is how much? कितना है बोलो?
11, ma'am.
Yes, 11. You also do, okay? Along with me, you also do. In a rough way, roughly you can do. So, ej is 11. Very good. Now, calculate TF, okay? For TF, see, LJ minus EI minus DIJ. So, LJ is how much? 11 minus EI is how much? 0. And Dij is how much? Instead of Dij, here will be Tij. Okay, here it will be Tij. So Tij is how much? 6. So what is the value? 5. Okay, 11 minus 6, 5. Similarly, what will be FF? See, Ej minus Ei. Ej is 6 minus Ei. So 6 minus
0.
0. Okay, and minus Tij is 6. So answer is 0. 6 minus 6. Okay, similarly ej minus li minus tij. So 6 minus 0 minus 6 is again 0. Okay, clear? Now tell me what is in this case. What is ei? 1
0.
to 1 to 3. Again 1 to 3. See, 1 to 3. 1 to, sorry, 1 to 3. Okay, so this is I, this is j. Now tell me.
0.
0. Yes. So it is 0. Very good. 0, then
12.
0. See, EI is 0. Okay. EI is 0. LI is 0. You can write it like that also. 0, 0. Okay. Now see, EJ. This is J. So EJ is 12. LJ is 12. Okay. So 12, 12. Okay. Now what is this value? Calculate and tell me. LJ is 12 minus 0. EI is 0 minus
0.
Dij 12. So 12 minus 0 minus 12, 0. Very good. Now this one, EJ is 12 minus EI is 0 minus Tij is 12.
0.
So 0. Okay, and this one, EJ is 12 and Li is 0. Okay, so 12
0.
minus 0 minus 12, 0. Very good. Now for next 2 to 4. Calculate for 2 to 4. 2 to 4. I to j. 2 to 4. Okay, so this is I. Now this is j. So bolo. Here EI is how
6.
much? EI is 6. LI is how much?
11.
11. EJ is how much?
19.
19. Very good. And this one? Lj is 24. Right, see, Lj is 24. 2 to 4. So what is this TF value? 24 minus 6 minus 13. 5. 5 to.
Yes, ma'am.
5. Now this one, this is 19, okay? So 19 minus 6 minus 13. 0.
0.
Then EJ is 19 minus 11 minus 13. नेगेटिव में आएगा, देखो कितना आएगा?
-5.
minus 5.
-5.
ओके, चलो अब नेक्स्ट हम लोग कौन सा कलर लेते हैं? पिंक लेते हैं, चलो पिंक. सो पिंक इज 3 to 4. 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Okay, so I is 3, J is 4. Okay, now so here it will be I E3 and L3. EI LI 12 12. Okay, so 12 12. And here J is 19 24. 19 24. तो बोलो कितना होगा ये TF?
7.
7. 7 आएगा तो देख लो. See, LJ is 24. 24 minus 12, that is 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Yes. This one. EJ is 19. 19 minus 12 minus 2.
5. 2, ma'am.
2 2. Yes. And this one, 19 minus 12 minus 5, 2. Right. Again 2. ठीक है ना? Now which one? 4 to 5. Which is this one? 4 to 5. Okay. I to J. So 4 to 5 क्या क्या है? I. EI is 19. So see, this is 19. EI is 19. LI is 24. So EI 19. LI 24. Okay. EJ is 28. LJ is also 28. So 28 28. Here also 28. Here also 28. Okay. Now calculate. So this will
5.
be 5. Yes. This one. EJ 28 minus
5.
5. Yes, 5. This one. EJ minus LI 4, 0. Right? See, 28 minus 24, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. Now last, which is your, sorry, this one. Okay, 3 to 5. So 3 to 5. EI is 3. 5, J is 5. So 12 12. EI 12. So here it will be 12. Okay. Here also it is 12. Okay. And J is 28 28. So 28 28. See, it we will get 0 0. Everything will be 0. 0 0 आएगा तो देखो. This is 28.
Yes, ma'am.
28 minus 12 minus 16. Okay. So these are the TF, FF and IF. Okay. Now tell me which activities are critical activities. See, in previous
1 to 3, 3 to 5.
yes, in previous lecture we calculated the longest part and we identify which path is critical. Okay, you can identify by float method also. For that, what we know that for a critical activity to be critical, all its float values should be 0. See here, this is 0 and this is 0. Okay, so our critical activities are 1 2 3, 3 to 5, and the path followed by these activities is 1 2 3 to 5. So this is your critical path. Clear? So our last question, or the second last, is also completed to identify the floats of each activity and with the help of float method calculate the critical path. ठीक है? Okay. So our final path will be this and this. So this is our critical path. Okay, I think now it is clear how to solve
Yes,
this
ma'am.
problem. Okay, so this may come as MCQs which I solved in previous lecture. Okay, and it may come you may get like these questions as a broad questions also from this network diagram. Okay, in the next lecture we will be discussing some probabilities of this PERT network. Okay, some terminologies and some numericals based on the probability, as since it is a probabilistic in nature, so there will be some statistics formulas and all that we will be learning in our next class. Okay, चलो then आज के लिए we will stop here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome.